There we go. 13-14 Panini Hockey Prime. We're doing a 4-box half case. I'm going to slice it open, pick from a fresh case right here. Roll the 8-sided die. Choose 4 boxes. I'm going to draw teams. Left side will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right side 5, 6, 7, and 8. What is that 8 side? This is an 8-sided die. And roll 4 different numbers on 4 rolls. That's 8. My Sharpie. Let's see this one. 8 again. Failed on that. 4. The bottom 2. 7. 7 again. And 6. There's no 9 on the die, but they still put a line under the 6. Gotta love it. There we go. These are reserved for, I guess, if I try and do a run back at some point. Good luck, everybody. 29 total spots with 1 combo. 5 times on the randomizer. What am I looking at here? What the heck? Oh, this advertisement popped up and threw everything off. What the heck? There we go. I'm like, where the heck is my stuff? Alright, the Avalanche on the top and Wild on the bottom. That's the teams. Here's the names. Vinny Vegas and Grand Poobah. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 20 till 3, number 1. Juice Man, number 29. On to the teams. Avalanche on top, Wild on the bottom. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final hit, cross fingers, hole winners. Good luck. 5. The Bruins to the top. Jets to the bottom. Alright, 20 till 3, the Bruins. Audi Tech Blackhawks. Puck Me Sideways, Sabres. Kenny S. Leafs. Sato Ken Sleeping. Coyotes and Sens. Bump Kid Flyers. Steelers 6 times champs. Canucks. Emmett First Kings. Rocky Bum Bums. Wild. SoCal Kid Blue Jackets. Audi Tech Ducks. T-Ott and Ben W. Predators. Great Breaks the Hurricanes. SoCal Kid Penguins. Stout 79 Rangers. Grand Poobah Sharks. SoCal Kid Canadiens. Kenny S. the Panthers. Quite Something Stars. Bernie DeRoche Islanders. Scotchy Black and Red Lightning. SoCal Kid Red Wings. Emmett First Flames. Quite Something Capitals. Herpy 123 the Blues. Bump Kid Devils. DNH Martin Avalanche. Vinny Vegas Oilers and Juice Man the Jets. There you go. Y'all can start trading.